Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. And I got a hot video for you today. These are three very newsworthy stocks that have hit the news, moving up today, but we're going to determine whether or not these are stocks that, by way of VectorVest, if you want to continue to hold or not. So with that, let's get straight into the news on these stocks. So we start off with Affirm. I was doing the Jockey Club this morning, which is our day trading room, and a couple of people put up, hey, Affirm. And I looked, and now Affirm partners with Walmart for buy now, pay later self-checkout feature, which is going to put Affirm into 4,500 nationwide stores in Walmart. I think that this could be a big play. We already have self-checkout at Walmart. You know, something, you go in there now, and I think we all need to fill out a 1099 at Walmart so we can get paid for self-scanning our own stuff. That's just me. But now Affirm getting in on the largest brick and mortar store, I think that this could be very good for the stock. Next one, we all know that crypto is moving. Mara stock perched a buy point after 178% rally. I don't know in regards to that if I'm still ready to buy, but I can't fight the tape. If the stock is rising, crypto is rising. Why is crypto rising? I think that everybody's looking for the anticipated spot ETF on Bitcoin. That is definitely was pushing crypto higher. But man, we're gonna have to take a look at this. We're gonna take a look at this. And the last one, Enphase, a company that I love. It does well, but then then something just happens. But there's a couple of things that I like about it. Enphase, the best performer in the S&P 500 today after announcing job cuts. Why is that important? Because we all know that it's tough doing business. And I think that any company, and I hate to say it, any company that's trimming the fat, and where you trim the fat is with employees. I hate saying that, but it's the truth. They're affecting the bottom line, making the bottom line, keeping it in the black. Now, when I look at this, the plan includes reduction of the workforce by about 10% and ceasing the operations of its contract manufacturing plants in Wisconsin and Timisoara, Romania. But the other side of what I like about this is, I'm telling you guys, I've already told you, keep your eyes on clean energy. Enphase, best for Tuesday, one day after the maker of micro inverter systems for solar panels. That's another side of it. In the solar space, Enphase, cutting the jobs in the solar space. I think the solar space is about, or the clean energy space is about to get hot. All right, and that's in anticipated of rate cuts coming next year from the Fed. I've told everybody on YouTube, keep your eye on clean energy. So I like it for the mindset of, you know, making sure that the company's bottom line stays in the black and they're already in the solar panel business. All right, now let's get into what I'm looking at from the stock perspective. And there they are. All right, all three of them, by way of the news, are moving up today. All right, Enphase up over 5%. Mara's up over 8%. Affirm up over 15%. Good, googly muggly. But I bet you, if I move this over, I bet you overvalued, overvalued, overvalued. So fundamentally, I'm not liking these stocks. These are news-driven stocks, but can they maintain it? The stocks that I think that are going to have the higher probability of maintaining it is Mara and Affirm, because their CIs or comfort index are above 1, which means that these stocks go up more than they go down. Does that make it bad for Enphase? No. Well, the RT on Enphase is up there. So all three of these stocks are in uptrends. I do like Enphase from one side of the fundamental standpoint. They are growing their earnings at a clip of 26%. Mara is only at 3, and Affirm is a negative 7. So things I like and don't like about the stocks overall, but news-driven, are moving up. Let's go take a look at the graphs, and that's going to be our 1,000 words right there. Enphase got trigger. Looking at the MPI, I got trigger back here on 11:15. I got trend right now, and I'd like to see more volume, and the MACD is moving up as well. I want to keep my eyes. I like the pullout of the downtrend on Enphase. This could run. All right, let's go to the next one. Mara, crypto's just running. Crypto's just running. I can't, I may not like it, but crypto's just keep on running. It's like a Timex. It takes a kicking and it still keep on ticking, something like that. Takes a licking and still keeps on ticking. Early entry back here on Mara, back on 10/25, 2023. Little sideways move. Got trended, and broke through a little bit of a channel. I like the play. I may not like crypto, but I like the play, and it's giving you an opportunity to make some money. Now, if you're in it and you're looking for an opportunity to have a hard line in the sand, look at that gap. I got a hard line in the sand about 2042 if you're already in it. Let's go to the next one. Wow, Affirm. I think putting Affirm in all of these stores and Walmart is going to be huge for them. Running up new new 3-month high. Look at this. I got trend and trigger right about the same time. Look at that horizontal line. Stop putting that horizontal line, Glenn. I got trend and trigger almost, look at that, almost at the same time. That's, I'm going to make a search. I'm going to have to make a search where I can find trend and trigger hitting at the same time. That's a beautiful entry. Trend and trigger both hitting at the same time. We got to look into that. But Affirm, I like the move, and there we go. So with all of that being said, folks, 3 newsworthy stocks. What I like, what I don't like, but I think that all 3 of them have an opportunity to make some moves to the upside. Always keep in mind, though, the market is at a point where it's starting to look overextended, looking for a top. When it starts to really get dicey, we'll let you know. We'll let you know right here on this channel. All right, with that, if you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of VV Nation. Hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted. If you always like the content, if it was worth it for you to stop by and watch this video, hit the like button. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think about it as well. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group. And we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.
Yeah.